Okay, moving on, we're looking at now straight line letters. And the straight line letters, the first group of them that we look at are the H, T, N, M, A, Y, N, and so forth. The E. So you can see this is a 6x6 grid. All right, and so when you're making the A, it's going to be proportionally made like so. Stroke here, and then 1, 2, about a third of the way up, you make the crossbar, and that is what we call the single stroke uppercase Gothic vertical capital. So the steps for forming the letters here are shown, and they're pretty tiny to see on the video, but in your book you should be able to take a closer look at it. So when you're making the letters, you'll make a stroke here, and this number 2 stroke will be here, and then this will be 3. You can see it's just slightly above midpoint, and we're on the 4 grid, so it's not right in the middle for the H. T is pretty simple. The N and the M now is larger, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it's made in the full block, whereas the N is a 5x6. The T is a 6x6. The H is a 5 units wide and 6 units tall. Okay, so we're going to be practicing these in just a moment, and the width versus the height is what you're using to make the letters proportional. So pay close attention to your proportions. You won't always have a grid, of course, to work with. We just use this in the beginning to learn the proportion.